It would have been a landmark verdict, but it wasn't meant to be. A family of Syrian refugees filed a claim before the EU's top court asking for compensation from the bloc's border agency Frontex related to their deportation to Turkey. In the judgment released on Wednesday, the Luxembourg-based court said that since Frontex does not have the power to assess asylum applications, it cannot be held liable for damages. The legal team representing the family told Euronews that the ruling is unsatisfactory.
The Syrian family is very disappointed by the judgment. They hoped that the court would recognize the suffering they have been put through. They were returned to Turkey without there being a return decision, and also the way the return was conducted was, especially for the children, very, very frightening. They were separated from their parents and all individually accompanied by a border guard, which you can imagine for children between the age of 1 to 6 years old was incredibly frightening.
The case was filed in 2021, 5 years after the Syrian family was deported by plane to Turkey from the Greek island of Kos, despite having requested international protection. The lawyers believe that the ruling raises fundamental questions about Frontex's mandate and accountability.
We must realize Frontex is a European Union agency with great power over the lives of individuals. In a union based on the rule of law, great power must always go hand in hand with accountability. However, if we look at this judgment, then individuals cannot hold Frontex to account for the way it conducts joint operations, and it leaves a gap in accountability and a gap in fundamental rights protection.
The identity of the family was protected throughout the case, and no pictures or video footage has been released. The lawyer confirmed that the Syrian family will consider further legal steps.